Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple and straightforward way to make your text files offline unavailable in Dropbox using your phone. If you've been holding on to files that take up space on your device, this quick tweak will help you free up storage without losing access to your important documents when you're back online. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. Once it launches, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Files tab. This is where all your stored files and folders live. Next, find the text file you want to make offline unavailable. When you see it, tap the three dots located next to that file. This will open a small menu with additional options. In this menu, you'll see an option called Make Available Offline. If this option is toggled on, it means the file is saved to your device and accessible without an internet connection. To save space and remove the offline version, simply toggle this option off. That's it. By turning off the offline availability, the file will no longer be stored on your phone, freeing up precious storage space. But don't worry, your file still stays safe and sound in the cloud, ready to be accessed anytime you have an internet connection. This method is especially helpful if you have limited storage or want to keep your device running smoothly without unnecessary files clogging things up. Just remember, when you make a file offline unavailable, you won't be able to open it without internet until you toggle the offline option back on. So, if you know you'll need access on the go, double-check before disabling offline access. And there you have it. Quick, easy, and effective. Making your text files offline unavailable in Dropbox ensures you keep your device clean while still having everything backed up and accessible in the cloud. Thanks for watching.